In the dashboard, select Nauplii in the Brood/Nauplii tab. Select the Nauplii batch. On selecting the Nauplii batch, the available Nauplii and its other data of the batch is displayed. Click on the stock icon. The stocking page will be displayed. Click the date icon to set the date. Select the tank to be stocked and add the count and score. Select the Add button to complete. Nauplii stocking data added successfully will be shown. Click on Add another Nauplii to repeat the stocking process in other tanks. Error will be shown if count higher than available is added. Multiple stocks in multiple tanks can also be added at once. Click on Go Home button to go back to dashboard. The stock in the dashboard gets updated. Click List in the stocking page to view previous entries.